friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Joseph-de-Lepage is a charming little parish municipality, nestled in the Bas-Saint-Laurent region of Quebec. Located about 5 kilometers southeast of Mont-Joli, this small community is surrounded by the natural beauty of the Matapedia River Valley, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers and those seeking a peaceful retreat. Saint-Joseph-de-Lepage has a rich history dating back to its founding in 1873. Named after the Seigneurie Lepage Thibierge, the area's early colonial lordship, the village has grown while maintaining its close-knit community feel. With a population of around 590 people, the residents here are known for their warm hospitality and strong community spirit. Many families have lived here for generations, passing down traditions and values that continue to shape the town's future.
Thank you very much.
Surrounded by lush forests and dotted with picturesque lakes, Saint-Joseph-de-Lepage is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're into hiking, fishing, or simply enjoying the serene landscapes, there's something here for everyone.